So starting a YouTube channel will be one of the best things you will ever want to do currently in this season right now. So guys, if obviously you are creating a YouTube channel, what you need is a fresh Gmail account. Like that is if you have not created an account before. But adventure now, let me say I already have a Gmail account, and let me just come here and show you. I want this video to be step by step, so click on that particular location now. And if I've created an account before, up here what you'll be seeing is actually view channel. Are you seeing what I'm showing you? What you will see there is view channel. So if you discover that you are seeing view channel there, all you just have to do is to just don't stress yourself again thinking of creating an account. Just click on that view channel and then look for the pencil icon that is beside it. This pencil icon here now. Just click on that pencil icon and then change the name of the channel, change everything according to the way I'll be showing you how to customize things in this video. Stay to the end as we continue. So the moment you change the name, change the logo and everything, this channel is automatically a brand new setting thing. But if you are new to a channel, now listen to me very carefully. You will still click on that same place where we clicked on. You have seen there, and then we'll just have to click on switch account this time, and we'll look for a channel now this time that carries, you can see this one that is here. This one here has 10 subscribers, and if I keep going you'll be seeing more names. But there is this one here, Everlasting Laugh TV, that you are seeing no channel, and on this dark voice as well you are seeing no channel. So it simply means these channels don't have, these Gmail accounts don't have any channel attached to them. So if your Gmail account is fresh and you have not actually created anything, now what you'll be seeing up is not view channel again, you'll be seeing create a channel. That is just where you will click on. But before you do this particular process, there is a step you must first get to before you do these things. Now let's head over to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will be the software that we'll be using to actually arrange everything that we'll be needing. Anybody that needs this video, please share it for them, because this video will be for detail. It will be detailed, and you can come back again to watch it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So now we'll be telling ChatGPT, I want to start a gospel blog for posting gospel sermon excerpts. Now you can actually, you know what you want to discuss about. If your channel is different from gospel blog, you can try it as well. I'll be showing you another strategy as well. But for this one, you want to start a gospel blog for posting gospel sermons excerpts. Now, you will not tell it to give you suggestion of names for the channel. And then you tell it, you specify that it should be easy to remember. The names should be easy to remember. And then it will give you some list of names. Now you can see gospel cuts, faith clips, word snippets, sermon bites, spirit clips, holy, what you can see long names that they will give to you here. So now we will not choose from the ones that we want, and peradventure we say gospel cuts or faith clips. So you will not be like, since you have gotten a name for it, you will not say give me prompt to generate gospel logo or channel logo, and the YouTube cover photo for the specific name that you have chosen. Me now I choose gospel cuts, and then I added TV for the sake of this video. So now it's gonna give us a prompt. A prompt is like is an arrangement of words that we can use to generate something we desire. So now you can see it here. It says create a clean modern gospel YouTube channel for. What we don't need to do is to read it. We'll just have to copy it directly from where it stopped. So now we'll copy it. And we'll come to any browser of our choice. And without wasting time, just type image fx, or you say Google image fx, and then you search for it. It's gonna come up with something like this. Now this first one that you see, labs.googleFX, click on it. That is the one that you're going to be using to generate this image I'm telling you now. There are other softwares that we can use to generate images, but for this video we will not waste time. We'll just work with this. Now you can see other list of things here that we can use. Whisk is a platform, Flow is a platform, Image FX is a platform, Music FX is a platform as well. Whisk generates image, the other Flow generates image, the Image FX that we are talking about generates image. I will just have to sign up. I already have an account, but if you don't have an account, you can just sign up. But obviously when you see all those things, choose Image FX, because that is the one we are going to be working with. And so we'll just look directly for image effects, and then we'll click on image effects. So we'll launch image effects now. And now we are in the interface of image effects. So without wasting much time, you see this down part that is here where they wrote photo of a merry. Let me just use this thing here. This section here, this whole section that you are seeing here, is where we are going to be clicking on. So we'll just click on anywhere there. You can see my cursor, and then we'll hold it till the paste button is out, and then you click on paste. So the text we copied from ChatGPT is what we paste here, and then without further stress, look for this thing that is here. You can see this thing. Sorry, let me use this other icon, this thing, and then we click on just click on that thing. Few minutes is going to generate us something that is related to the prompt that ChatGPT gave to us. Now, why I love this process is that you can decide to change things the way you want it. ChatGPT generated this, gave us prompt to generate this image. You can see you can swipe left to get the other ones. Then look at it, you can swipe left to choose the best. But why I say I like this process is that if you don't like this logo, you can go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, I don't like this logo, give me something different. Or you can tell ChatGPT, you see this one now, is only one cross that is here and the Bible that is there. So you see the way this one is, you can just select from it. Though I like these ones already, but if you don't like it or you want to add a twerk to it, you can be like add a hand praying or something like that. I'm just using for example. Don't go and say add a hand praying if it's not related to what you are doing. But if you just get something that is fine, it's good, then you just click on this download icon here. The moment you see the one that you like, click on this download icon, and then you copy it to just download automatically to your device. So you can see file downloaded successfully at this top here. So you can open it, but I'm not going to be opening it now. So now we'll go back to ChatGPT. We'll copy the cover photo prompt as well. You can see this one here, and then we'll do the same process, and it's going to give us the same thing. Then the moment we get these two things ready, we will now tell ChatGPT, give me a description for this channel. And a description is what the channel entails, like what the channel is about. So I will show you where you will paste this particular channel now, this particular thing that we are generating now. I will show you where you will paste it. And then so we have gotten our name and we have gotten everything. Oh, I've generated much things today. I've been working since morning, so we've generated much things now. So now we will now head over to the YouTube location where we were. I hope you know how we got here, the create channel stuff, and then we will now put a name here. We will edit this name from Everlasting Love TV to the gospel cuts we got. Is it gospel cuts? Gospel. Let me just use gospel cuts. Obviously, I will delete this channel back. So you can see gospel cuts, and then you click save at this top here. Just click save. Automatically, it will be done. Save, and then it will change the username, the handle. You can see the handle has already changed. Yes, you can see the handle has changed. But if you don't like the handle, know that the name, the reason why it's like this is because this gospel cut has been chosen by someone. So you can choose a name like, let me say gospel cut. Since we added TV, gospel cut TV, let me see if anyone has chosen it. Nobody has chosen it. So you can see that it has automatically changed the handle name as well to gospel cut then TV. So nobody is using it, but if anybody is using it now, you will see to create an alternative means. You will not see slash and then 1 2 all those numbers there. But you click on this photo icon, and then you add your photo, the one that we got from you click gallery, the one we got from the downloaded software that ChatGPT gave to us. You can see it here. So we'll click on it, and this is gospel cut TV. So you click save as profile picture. You can see it here down here, and so the moment you click on that, it's automatically done. Step 1 achieved. Now this is not all that we need to do. The next step we are going to be creating or attending to now is to address the area of the description and whatever. But before we leave this page, don't forget to click on create channel. You see it here. So you just click on that create channel. Automatically this channel will be created successfully in few minutes. Boom, guys. Now we will no longer be seeing anything like create channel up here. Just give it few minutes. This place that you are seeing create a channel now, just give it few minutes. Let me refresh. Now you can see it's now view channel, and the name has changed as well. It's no longer Everlasting, it's now Gospel Cuts TV, and you can see our logo. If we added a cover photo, you would have seen it there as well. So obviously this channel is ready for editing. Yes guys, so the next thing we will do now is to move over to our website called ytstudio.com. so let me just move directly to, I already have the website in my phone. Just search for youtube-studio.com. It's already online, so you just click on the first one. So now we are currently on this Gospel Cuts. Yes, look at the channel here, and so you can see that we have uploaded 0 videos. We have 0 subscribers. Everything on the channel is just brand new. So that is how the interface looks like. But before we proceed, what we will just do first is to come down here below this location here. Sorry, let me use the other one. Let me use this other thing. This thing that is down here is a particular place. There is the setting. So that setting is where you will click on, and then put some major things in order. Now you will move to channel. You can see this channel after the general there. You move to channel, and then you click advanced settings. But before you go for the advanced settings, you click on your country of residence. Don't go and choose a wrong country, because if you choose a wrong country during your time of monetization, the country you put here determine the country document you will bring. Because if you're in Nigeria, you submit your national identity card or your voter's card or your driver's license, and if those things are not actually related to Nigerian voter's card or whatever, your monetization will be rejected on several locations. So me currently, I'm a candidate of Nigeria. Is it candidate? I be citizen. Yes, I'm a citizen of Nigeria. Where is my country? Perfect. So I'm a citizen of Nigeria, and now you come to these advanced settings, and then you check. Let me see if there are other things to do here. Okay, so we are done with that with that location, but don't be in a hurry to leave. Go back to the basic information. Now this section of keyword, this down part here, is another area that needs to be attended to, but for the sake of time, I will not touch here now, because there are some few things I want to show you first before I come back here. Just stay to the end of this video. We'll still come back to this place. So first of all, click on save. You can see this save that is near this thing here. So just click on save. We'll come back to this keyword section. There are a few things I want to show you first before we get to that area. And if you are interested in editing your cover photo after you have generated your image, you can come to this place here. You see where the arrow is clicking? You click on that section, and then you click your channel. Moment you click your channel, you can now run the editing. You see it here? See this other upside? Just click on that upside, and if I had generated that image now, I would have just put the thing there. Choose from your photo, and if I had generated that image, I would have just selected it. It's not even in order. You can use your 2 fingers. See, it's zooming in here, so you adjust it to the way it will be, and then if you click save now, automatically it is done. So let's refresh. Let me see something safe, how it's gonna look like. Perfect. Now the next thing you will attend to is this, your description here. There is a description I told you that ChatGPT should generate for us. You go to ChatGPT, you copy that description carefully, and you put it here too as well. But one thing I forgot to tell ChatGPT, let's go back to ChatGPT again. Let me show you something. Now in ChatGPT, we will tell ChatGPT the description should be composed with keywords most best for a gospel blog. You know the this thing what your channel is about, and then it should be short but powerful, and then you click send. So now it's going to give us another description again that we are going to copy this time now. So gospel course TV, powerful sermon, blah 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 blah. So we'll just copy it now. You see it, we'll just copy it directly. Bam. So now you copy and then you bring it back here. I forgot this area, that is why. Thank God I remembered here. So we'll paste it and then we'll click save. Automatically we are done. And then we go back. This channel is set for content posting on this particular channel. Although this is your thumbnail, this is your cover, it will not be like this. So you will set it well so it will be fine, so that the gospel course TV will enter, the logo with everything will enter fine and fit it. So guys, the next thing we are going to be looking out for now is that particular gospel course, is that particular keyword section we left. So the keyword section now, if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below. I'll be glad to help you on that. It's my responsibility. So congratulations, it's your boy Coach Favor. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's a way of telling me thank you and do more. Coach Favor cares.